How I earned 12,000 rupees in 10 days on Fiverr. In this video, I will tell all the process or steps I followed to earn 12,000 rupees on Fiverr. So let's go. Firstly, I searched on YouTube for work from home jobs. While watching one of the video, I came to know about freelancing. So to learn more about freelancing, again I searched what is freelancing on YouTube. Then I came to know about Fiverr, so I started knowing more about Fiverr app. Then I finally download the Fiverr app. I simply logged in from my Google account. I filled all information like in skills, translation, content writing, proofread, etc. And finally I created my profile. Then I started making my gig with the help of YouTube videos. I given that test also on Fiverr, which is very simple, and one by one all three gigs I created on Fiverr. Initially I used to get so many message on Fiverr, everyone saying go and meet my assistant on Telegram. I went on Telegram, I followed them, but I understood that these people are scammers. So I started avoiding all the clients who were saying meet my assistant on Telegram. I want to give you a short note how to identify scammers on Fiverr app. All Fiverr clients without image on their profile are scammers. So finally after 6 days I got message from one client. I started chatting with that client and I understand what that client want. So I finally sent offer to the client of $10. Client gave me that document. I have to translate that document from English to Hindi. Document is of only 10 pages. So I easily translated that document within 1 hour. I delivered that work just after that client gave me second work of proofreading, which is also a simple 4-page Hindi document. So I accepted that work and sent offer of $10 again, and within a half hour I completed the task, that work also. I delivered the work. Up to now I have earned $20 on Fiverr. Again after a few hours on that same day from the same client I got message a proofreading of the Marathi document for $5. So I accepted that work also. The document is of only 3 pages. I was very happy at that time. Within 4 hours I have earned $25, which worth in India 2000 rupees. So I was very happy. I completed that work and delivered to the client. That day I was very happy. Next day I don't get any order on my Fiverr account. I was waiting for the same client, but he did not message me that day. So on third day I messaged him, "Sir, please assign me any work." Then that client replied me that I have lot of work of translation, but we don't prefer Fiverr as it is not beneficial for both of us. So you can contact me on WhatsApp. He gave me his WhatsApp number. I saved that number on my mobile and I messaged that client. He gave me work daily and I used to complete the work. In next 8 days I totally earned 10,000 rupees from the same client. After that I understand that this client is paying me little less and giving me more hard work. Then I started focusing more on Fiverr account. As on Fiverr I get lot of money and started to learn how to get orders from the foreign clients. So that's how in total 10 days I earned 12,000 rupees from single client which I got on Fiverr. So this is my freelance early 10 days story. I was very happy that I got 12,000 rupees just working part time and sitting on my bed. Working from home is really a good vibe, and freelancing is the future as everyone loves to work from home. I only suggest you start your freelance journey today. I have given link in the description, so download Fiverr app. You will get 10% bonus on first order. So start your freelance journey and earn money just sitting on your bed. Bye, take care.